Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma recently inaugurated and launched a series of development initiatives at the Umsning Football Ground, Patarim in Ri Bhoi district. The initiatives included the launch of the Ri Bhoi Silk Dream e-Rise, laying of the foundation stone for the Umsning Mini Stadium, rollout of Project e-Rise, distribution of assets to beneficiaries, and launch of Project Aspire FILO app-based coaching. He was accompanied by Community and Rural Development Minister Sosthani Sotun, Umsning MLA Dr. Celestine Lingdo, and Nongpo MLA Miralbons Aim, among others. In his address, the Chief Minister said the program was a result of earlier interactions with the public and reiterated the government's commitment to responsive governance. He highlighted that feedback from such engagements had led to initiatives like fisheries training and the e-Rise project for eri farmers and weavers. He informed that the e-Rise initiative will support thousands of beneficiaries in Ri Bhoi in a phased manner, aiming to enhance production, promote value addition and improve farmers' income. The Chief Minister also noted that the Umsning Mini Stadium, a long-pending demand, will be developed with modern facilities. Earlier, assets, machinery and training certificates were distributed to beneficiaries during the program.
The Honourable Prime Minister for this very, very important decision that was taken by them to ensure that the Prides of the Hill program was launched, and that will help small states and hill states like ours to overcome the financial problem because of the new recommendation of the Finance Commission. So friends, once again I congratulate all of you. I am very happy that apart from the Mini Stadium and the e-Rise program, we also have the Aspire and the program for the online counseling and coaching, and that is something that also will help the students at large. So I congratulate all the stakeholders who have been involved in making that a possibility. And where they used to sell the cocoon for 700, today they will be selling for 3,500, the processed yarns. And that yarn then will be sold to our textile entrepreneurs, and the money will go to the farmers directly, and it will remain within the ecosystem right here. And we have calculated that after spending 4.5 crores for this system to be put in place, we will be getting back returns of almost 10 crores per year. Every year, 10 crores of additional fund is going to come, not to government, but to all the beneficiaries who are sitting out here. And these are the kind of interventions that are going to make the difference. It's the same thing. Everything is the same. There is nothing different. We're doing it, as I always say, just doing it differently. It's the same cocoon, but we are adding value to it. It's our same people, but they are now trained. It is the same yarn, but it's going to be now made here in Meghalaya.